Let's make things clear. You want to learn Photoshop without wasting your time. What you are definitely not looking for is another tedious, drawn-out course filled with uninspiring techniques. Well, you came to the right place. Welcome to the most hands-on Photoshop course you've ever seen. This isn't your typical featured tour. We are diving straight into exciting creative projects, and you are encouraged to create completely unique designs. Whether you are an aspiring graphic designer, photographer, marketer, or simply an individual with a passion for visual storytelling, mastering Photoshop provides you with the tools to bring your visions to life. We will be covering photo manipulation, compositing, retouching, graphic design, animation, digital art, interior design, and so much more. This course is perfect for you if you are new to Photoshop or if you are self-taught and aiming to get more confident and effective using it. I am Martin Perhiniak, a certified Adobe expert and instructor with a design background spanning over 2 decades. Throughout my career, I collaborated with renowned clients such as Disney, Mattel, Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, and BBC. Leveraging this extensive experience, I have carefully crafted this course to help you navigate Photoshop like a seasoned professional. Learn to use Photoshop's latest features together with the fundamental building blocks like layers, adjustments, selections, transformations, masking, smart objects, brushes, and so much more. You can also future-proof your skills by mastering Photoshop's amazing generative AI features. I am not just teaching Photoshop. I am empowering you to express yourself, tell your story, and create designs that resonate with your unique style. This is your chance to create work that is truly personal and worthy of your professional creative portfolio. You can follow along with each project and replicate my designs, or you can use the workflows and techniques I show you and create something completely different and unique. There are endless possibilities and variations thanks to the massive library of creative assets I put together for this course. For each project, there are at least 10 times more assets available than what I end up using in my examples. Join our community of like-minded creatives, share your progress, and get constructive feedback to help you improve your skills and be inspired to take on new challenges. So, are you ready to revolutionize the way you learn Photoshop? Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Enroll now and let the projects begin. Your creative adventure with Photoshop starts right here.